Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram confirmation code. To know how to fix Instagram confirmation code, you should just go here to settings. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page you should to go apps here, and when you will see this list you will go to Instagram like this. And when you will find this page, you will go to force stop and you will click. When you will click force stop, you will go to click storage. And then here in this page, you will click clear cache. After that, you will click clear data, and then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank and thank you for watching.